How many of us use a hair dryer? So when you turn on a hair dryer and hold it in your hand and you're standing on your bathroom floor, did you know that turning on that electrical device immediately puts upwards of 4 volts across your body? And what's super interesting about this is exposure to voltage on the body over time can actually have negative impacts on our health. And what I'd like to introduce and offer is earthing or grounding. So by simply placing a grounding mat under your bare feet while you dry your hair, you will have low to almost no voltage across your body. And so this is just one example. I'm using this example because it's so significant. The hair dryer produces such a significant amount of voltage across the body, and likely many of us do this, if not every day, several times a week. That positive charge on our body can really start to impact our health. And that's only one of many things that we're exposing ourselves to throughout the day. So when we sit at our workstations, you can measure it there. I know I run about 2 to 3 volts across my workstation. So I stay grounded all day while I work. And then also, if you can measure in your bedroom, because some people actually have incredibly high voltage in their bedroom and they don't even realize it. And this can impact your sleep. So if you're not sleeping well, this could be one of the reasons why. So typically in our homes, our bed is up against the wall. And what do we have on either side? We have outlets on either side. We have our lamps on either side. We have our phone. Now, these things might not be on, but they are all plugged in and pulling power. So I sleep on an earthing mat. The electrical noise on our body can actually be shown in our blood. So if we take a look at our blood when we're exposed to, especially a hair dryer, but a lot of this electrical noise, you'll see that it's kind of clumped together. And when it's clumped together, it doesn't flow as well. And this over time can start to cause a lot of our common health conditions, our health challenges that we're seeing with insomnia, with autoimmune diseases, even as much as cancer. We're not aware of it, but our immune system is working to deal with this electrical noise on our body. So if we sleep grounded and we spend time grounded throughout the day, even you can go and ground yourself outside for free by touching your bare skin to the earth, just walking bare feet on the grass or the soil, any natural surface. Concrete works as well. The second you touch yourself to the earth or to a grounding mat, the blood separates. And so now you start to have an environment of where everything is circulating and moving, and the body doesn't have to chase that inflammatory response, and instead it can start to heal as it's supposed to heal. Our immune system is amazing because we're not even aware of what it's doing and the things that might be fighting off that we don't necessarily feel. Now, a lot of us do feel that electrical noise, but I would say the majority of us do not, and our body is amazing at kind of fighting that. And in fact, sometimes you could be quite ill or have pain in your body or have other things that you just normalize because it's just what the body does. You don't even realize there's an issue there. So when the body can start to take its attention away from this other noise because that's being managed by earthing and grounding, it can really focus on fighting off these other diseases and things coming our way all the time. So I just wanted to share this experiment with you with the hopes of introducing you to some of the tangible impacts of earthing and grounding, where you can really see the reduction in voltage on your body. Maybe you would be interested in exploring it further and kind of understanding the health benefits that you might see from regular earthing and grounding. I know for me, I've seen tremendous benefits, everything from reduced anxiety to no more cold hands and feet. That was one of the first things that went away. I know if I would just walk through the grocery store, I would feel my hands and feet start to get a little bit numb. Completely gone away. The skin is much brighter and clearer.